Newton Raphson method. So we have discussed in the previous semester or in the lower classes Taylor series method. Taylor series, we can write it as f of x naught plus h is nothing but f of x naught plus h divided by 1 factorial into f dash of x naught plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash x naught plus so on. Here we consider that h is very small, then higher powers are neglected. So h is small, then higher powers of h can be neglected. So here if we modify this one, f of x naught plus h, we can write it as f of x naught plus h into f dash of x naught. Here the given equation is of the form of f of x naught plus h equal to 0. Then we can write the above equation as h equal to minus f of x naught, then bring it to this one, f dash of x naught we get. And here x1 is nothing but x naught plus h. So here x naught minus f of x naught dividing by f dash of x naught we get. Now if we keep on find the values for n values, similarly x2 can be written as x1 plus h. So we can write it as x1 minus f of x1 dividing by f dash of x1. Then nth term can be written as n plus 1th term we can write it as xn minus f of xn dividing by f dash of xn. So this method gives the answer faster than the regular falsy method. So this one is called a Newton's iteration formula. Newton's general formula of any equation can be found out using this one. So here we discuss the problem using Newton's Raphson method, NR method. Find the negative root of x power cube minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0. So here what is to do, first we must differentiate the given function. Let f of x is x cube minus 4x plus 9. We differentiate this one, we can write it 3x square minus 4x. Here first we check the values. If we put x equal to 0 we get plus 9. So I am substituting x equal to minus 1. Let x equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1 we get, this is minus 1 and this become plus. So further the value increases, that is we are getting 12 which is greater than 0. I am considering x equal to minus 3. So f of minus 3 I am checking, f of minus 3 we get minus 6. This one is less than 0. So we can solve the problem with help of only one value. Here we can say that the root lies between these 2 points, but in Newton-Raphson method we must consider the nearest value to solve the problems. So I am considering this is the nearest value and the negative root should be found out. Now xn plus 1, Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn dividing by f dash of xn is the formula. So here first iteration 1, n is 0. So x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught dividing by f dash of x naught. So initial value is, I am considering as what? Initial value x is minus 3. So I am considering minus 3 in this one to find the values. So x naught is minus 3. Then x1 is minus 3 minus f of x naught is f of minus 3 dividing by f dash of minus 3. So minus 3 minus this one is minus 6 dividing by, if we substitute here, 27 minus 4 is 23. We get the answer minus 3.125. So here what we are getting, if we simplify this one, we are getting minus 2.7391. So iteration 2. So yeah, if we substitute minus 2.7391, we are getting minus 0.5942 and f dash is 18.5. Now x2 is minus 3. Sorry, here we are getting x1 is minus 2.7391 minus, so minus 0.5942 dividing by 18.5. So here we are getting the value minus 2.70698. Now iteration 3. So we consider this value, we substitute in f of minus 2.70698 and f dash of minus 2.70698, and the value should be substituted in x3. So here minus 2.70698 minus, we substitute the values. So here if we substitute f dash f of minus 2.70698, we are getting minus 0.0081 dividing by 17.983. So we get minus 2.70653. So here once again we substitute this one, we check that what we get the values. So here iteration 4, f of minus 2.70653 and f dash of minus 2.70653, that should be substituted in the formula. Minus 2.70653 minus, so here f of x is minus 0.4036 dividing by 17.976. So this is nothing but approximately equal to the same value, minus 2.70653. So iteration 3 and iteration 4 are equal. Iteration 3 and iteration 4 are equal. Then root of the equation x cube minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0 is minus 2.70653. Using NR method, find correct to 4 decimal places. The smallest root of log x equal to cos x. So solution, we can write it this as, let f of x equal to log x minus cos x. Here we must consider the natural logarithm. Here this one satisfy only for since log x is real only if x is greater than 0. So here f of x will be positive. F of x is positive. So here we consider f of x equal to 1. So f of 1 equal to natural logarithm of 1 minus cos 1. This is radian measure. we get the answer approximately 0. Minus 0.5403. This is less than 0. So I am checking the another value f of 1.5. So we get approximately 0.3347. This is greater than 0. So here the root lies between 1 and 1.5. So we are discussing about the Newton-Raphson method. So we must consider any one value to solve the problem. So here, so I am considering this one is negative value as x0, iteration 1, let x0 equal to 1. So here if I consider x0, then xn plus 1 is xn minus f of xn dividing by f dash of xn. So x0 is 1. Here f of x is log x minus cos x. Differentiation of this one is 1 by x minus cos x is plus sin x. So here x1 is x0 is 1 minus f of 1 dividing by f dash of 1 we must substitute. If we substitute we get the answer as 1.29341. Now similarly this value iteration 2, so we must substitute this value in this one x2, that is 1.29341 minus f of 1.29341 dividing by f dash of 1.29341, we get 1.30296. Now iteration 3, x3 is 1.30296 minus f of 1.30296. So I am substituting this one in f of x and in f dash of x, that is 1.30296. Then if I simplify this one, I will get the answer 1.30296. It is nothing but the same answer. Iteration 2 and iteration 3 are equal. Then root of the equation log x minus cos x equal to 0 is 1.30296.